Hello and welcome to another Dad Rail train spotting video. Here we see Hastings Diesels Limited Unit 1001 approach Hastings Station. Unit 1001 is one of the last remaining narrow-bodied thumpers built specifically for the Hastings main line because of the limited clearance gauge in the tunnels on the line. How times change, with the route's current traction, the Class 375 Electrostar, departing from Platform 4 bound for Charing Cross, seen here in the new Southeastern blue livery and older white livery. And not forgetting the similar Class 377 Electrostars operated by Southern, this one being bound for Brighton. The contrast between old and new is clear to see. The only diesel traction left at Hastings Station now are the Class 171 Turbostar units that serve the non-electrified marshland services via Rye to Ashford International. As our train prepares to depart, I will leave you with the unmistakable sound of the thumper. Thank you for watching, and as always, be sure to check out my other train spotting videos and my train driver vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dad Rail for more mainline, heritage, European and model railway content.